Subscribe GK Education channel and press the bell button to watch all latest videos. Who is known as the father of Indian Railway? Lord Dalhousie. When was the first train run in India? On 16th April 1853. Which is the first railway station in India? Victoria Terminus Railway Station. Who was the first railway minister in India? John Mathai. Who was the first female railway minister in India? Mamata Banerjee. Who presented the first railway budget of independent India? John Mathai. When was the first electric train started in India? On 3 February 1925. Where was the first metro rail started in India? In Kolkata. Who is known as the Metro Man of India? E. Sridharan. What is the slogan of Indian Railways? Lifeline of the nation. Who is the first female loco-pilot of Indian Railways? Surekha Shankar Yadav. Which is the first electric train in India? Deccan Queen Express. Which is the first railway station run by solar power in India? Guwahati Railway Station. What is the official mascot of Indian Railway? An elephant named Bholu. In which year Indian Railway was nationalized? In 1951. Who is the current Railway Minister of India? Piyush Goyal. Who is the current Director General of RPF? Arun Kumar. Who is the current Chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Vinod Kumar Yadav. What is the full form of RPF? Railway Protection Force. Which is the longest station name in India? Venkata Narasimha Jubaripeta. Which is the fastest train in India? Vande Bharat Express. Which year is declared as Year of Rail Users by the Indian Railways? 1995. Which is the width of broad gauge railway line in India? 5 feet 6 inches. Which state has the longest route of railways in India? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest railway junction in India? Mathura Junction. Which is the largest railway zone in India? Northern Railway Zone. Which is the smallest railway zone in India? Northeast Frontier Railway Zone. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? Pir Panjal Railway Tunnel. Which is the longest rail route in India? Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Which is the biggest railway station in India? Gorakhpur Junction Railway Station. Which is the longest railway bridge in India? Bogeyville Railroad Bridge. Which is the highest railway bridge in India? Chenab Bridge. Which is the biggest railway station complex in India? Howrah Junction Railway Station. Which is the largest railway yard of Indian Railway? Mughalsarai Junction. Which is the cleanest railway station in India? Jaipur Railway Station. How many zones are there in Indian Railway? 18 zones. Which is the newest Indian railway zone? South Coast Railway Zone. In which city National Rail Museum located? New Delhi. Who has designed the first railway timetables? George Bradshaw. The Maitri Express connects India with which country? Bangladesh. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of length of rail lines? Fourth. Who was the Governor General of India when railways were first introduced in India? Lord Dalhousie. Shatabdi Express trains were introduced to commemorate the 100th birth anniversary of which personalities? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which station was formerly known as Victoria Terminus? Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Which station has all three gauges, that is broad, meter and narrow? Shiliguri. Over which river is the world's highest railway bridge in Kashmir being constructed? Chenab River. Which city have three zonal headquarters of Indian Railways? Kolkata. Which Indian railway stations has the largest number of platforms? Howrah Junction. Which is the oldest railway zone in India? Southern Railway Zone. Which is the largest national enterprise of India? Indian Railway.